what you discovered. Is this your new classroom? Wow, look, it's a Shabbat table. Yeah, candle. Blow it out, that's right.
Can we put this in your cubby? What? Come on. Oh yeah, I just want to go.
Oh, Eloise, you see all the dress-up clothes?
McKenna, come see your cubby. Come here.
Oh, did you get the hammers? Okay, Eloise, let's go put our stuff in the cubby. Come on. Let's go to the cubbies.
Other children are geniuses.
Did you already put your stuff in the cubby? Party! Yes, it's here.
You're going to have your very own.
Are you hammering?
All of them just had enough to make.
Good hammering.
You don't have to take your shoes off.
Ah. Ooh, Eloise, look at the kitchen. A treasure, that's right. What's in the treasure box? Oh! Did you see the purses? Is that a play phone or is that a real phone?
Seems like he's in his element.
Hey, did somebody drop a phone?
Oh yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm like, is that a play? It's right by the dress up. I'm like, is that a play phone or a real phone?
So much.